you aware of what you've got? A grateful man is a powerful man. A grateful man is a powerful man. A grateful man is a powerful man.
Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to another video that was shot by Kagan. In today's video, we want to take a look at this beautiful microphone from a company called Fifine, F-I-F-I-N-E. I don't want to run the company's name because you never really know with this company. Is Fifine?
You just invite his trashes.
And full disclosure, this microphone was actually sent to me by Kyle from Fifine Technology. Thanks a lot, Kyle. But of course, the fact that I didn't pay for this is not going to obscure or skew my review or my opinion of the device. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. Out of the box, obviously I already took this out of the box, but previously I shot some B-roll footage of the unboxing experience and how to assemble it, which I will be showing you about now. Out of the box, the first thing that you notice is this microphone is actually very well built, and obviously all the audio that you're listening to right now is from this microphone. So every time I move it around or touch it, it might mess with the quality of the audio, so forgive me for that. The base of the microphone is actually quite heavy, and it's got this really nice rubber fit that just makes it stay. It doesn't move around on your table. Besides that though, you're gonna get 3 hinges which you just connect together, and then I think this is probably the only plastic part of the microphone. This is the hinge that connects the neck of the microphone to the base. And yeah, it's the only plastic part. But here's the really interesting thing. Yeah, I think Fifine, knowing fully well that that bit of the microphone is plastic, they actually give you 2 pieces instead of 1, you know, because you might break it. I mean, I wouldn't break it because I wouldn't really be using my microphone in a situation where I might break it, but I don't know, people are different, man. If you break it, they give you an extra one, which is really nice, and you know, it's a nice touch, very thoughtful. Thank you, Fifine. But all that's just, you know, unimportant. The most important thing for a microphone is the sound quality. And as you can probably see on my screen right now, I am recording directly into Adobe Audition. Right now, the audio that you're listening to is not tampered with. I haven't touched this audio at all. And as you can imagine, it's pretty surprising the quality that this microphone provides. Basically, I tested this for like the last week. The sound quality of the microphone is excellent. Like, yo, I am super surprised. Look, my main microphone is the Superlux E205, which I have over here sitting on a side, and I use that with my Scarlett Solo bundle basically, and you know, the interface powers the microphone, and then I get proper condenser microphone audio with that. But comparing the audio that you get from this USB microphone to that, if you're not super trained, like if your ears are not super trained, you can almost not tell the difference, which is saying a lot. I mean, you should know that the microphone is unidirectional. It's not, you know, yeah, it is a cathode pickup pattern, but it is unidirectional. So if you turn the microphone like so, the audio it's going to be picking up is going to be less and less and less and less and less, and until it's not really picking up anything anymore. Basically, wherever it's facing is where it's picking up audio from, which very important to know. This is not a microphone that you put in the middle of a room to pick up everything. No, this is a microphone that you use for a single speaker, voiceover, YouTube videos. Maybe if you're a gamer, like a Twitch streamer or something, and you have one of this, what do they call them now? This boom arms. You could just attach this to one of them and then put them right in front of your face, and you know, you have a great microphone providing great audio to your teammates or whoever it is you're playing with or whatever. I have a tutorial on my channel, by the way, that shows you how to edit or how to master your vocals for your YouTube videos and your voiceovers and stuff. You should definitely check that out. I'll leave a link somewhere for you to check it out. If you can take the time, just a few minutes, to master your audio properly or to mix your audio properly for whatever use case you're trying to use this for, then yo, you absolutely have a steal for $48. I mean, this microphone right now on Amazon is going for around $48, which is honestly completely ridiculous to me when you consider the price that you have to pay for things like the Blue Yeti and stuff like that. This actually competes. In fact, it blows the competition out of the water. The sound quality that you get from this is much better than those microphones, and they're like twice the price, sometimes even 3 times the price. So like I really cannot make a case for why anyone would buy one of those microphones instead of this. And here's the most interesting part. If this was the only microphone I had, if I didn't have access to a more expensive setup that I already bought previously, I can absolutely get away with making my YouTube videos with this. And I also believe this microphone actually connects to your phone or your PS4 Pro, whatever it is you use to game. And, you know, of course, you're going to have to get the right adapters. This is my Google Pixel. With this adapter, this is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. I can actually connect this microphone to my phone and use it to record my audio if I was Skyping or something. I'm not really sure why I'd ever want to do that. I mean, there's really no point. The microphone on my phone works just fine. But, you know, there might be people who play Fortnite for mobile on their iPhones, and there are, I don't know, 100 phones. That might be useful for you. Me personally, I feel it's unnecessary, but it's a nice feature to have, to know that you can actually connect a USB microphone that is of this quality to your phone or to some other random devices that actually need or use microphones. Let's talk about the physical bits of the microphone. In the front of the microphone, you get a volume control knob, which is basically how you adjust the volume of the pickup of the microphone. Behind the microphone, you get this nice little 3.5mm jack for monitoring your audio. Basically, if you want to use headphones or earpiece or something to, you know, listen to the quality of the audio in real time as you record it. Some people like to do that. It's actually a great feature for people who sing, which also reminds me, you can actually use this microphone to record music. So I've been trying to think of cons for this microphone, things that I don't like about this microphone, things that maybe make it unusable for me. And honestly, I can't find any. This is a sub $50 microphone that works almost as good as any other microphone out there for starters. So if you're planning to start a YouTube channel, or you're a gamer, or you're putting together a setup and you can't really afford a more expensive audio setup, you know, what you can afford right now, I mean, $50 works for you right now, it absolutely makes sense to pick this up. This is, in my opinion, the best budget USB microphone that you can buy right now that will give you condenser level audio quality. And by condenser level, I basically mean this can mimic the audio that you'd be getting with a sound card or audio interface if you work on the audio. A huge thanks to Kyle from Fifine for sending me this microphone. I truly love it. I appreciate it. And this is a nice microphone. Should you pick it up? Absolutely. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and always remember, everyone in your life, everyone that you know right now, someday they're gonna be dead. So be nice to people, be kind to people, make the best use of the time that you have, and I will see you guys on another video that will show up by Kagan. Peace.
A grateful mind